Boy, I know one thing. Somebody better give me one of these for Christmas or ain't nobody gonna be happy around this motherfucker. I'm about to critique these wheels on this bike that she fabbing up right here, man. I can tell you right now, that torch ain't about shit. They had to speed up the video. Would've been here forever watching that motherfucker heat up. Damn, you just gonna glob that shit on there and move on to the next one, okay. Hope you plan on putting some more weld on that motherfucker, cause that first one ain't even make it. It's gonna be somebody in the comment section like,
it's just a tack for crying out loud.
Shut your bald head ass up. This my shit. Boy, that grind come right out of Harbor Freight. That cutting wheel got a few more spins in the left. I really can't even consider this welding. That boy just zapping the hell out of shit. I do want some big ass wheels like that though. Them bitches look like they grip the earth. Man, this shit bring back memories. Somebody did the same thing to my bike. Took the wheels off that motherfucker. That shit crooked as hell. This shit out of control. Man, what the fuck? I gotta slow this shit all the way down. He ain't even welding nothing, people. Boy, this shit smoking mirrors. Big mirrors. I'm talking about they zoomed in on this shit like he was doing something. Boy, I should have recorded this down the hall. Boy, I just got mad as hell watching that shit, man. Nigga pissed me off. Look at this shit here. That ain't even no real MIG wire. That boy got a coat hanger inside that bitch. Boy, if I ever ask you if you gonna leave it like that, I'm dead ass serious. Boy, y'all got me fucked up. Next bike I buy, I'm pulling out the NT bag on y'all ass. Bitch, that bike gonna be free by the time I get done with it. You gonna see red dots all on this motherfucker. That boy held that bitch up like an AB honor roll trophy. Need to put that bitch under somebody's desk. Just in case you thought the paint was gonna hide that ugly motherfucker. I ain't letting shit slide. Let's keep it going. That boy got the right gloves on or nothing. I'm just exposing all your flaws today on your ass for no reason. Here you go again. That boy putting that miracle whip on there. He just hoping it holds. That boy trying to make a saddle with a goddamn cutting wheel. Boy, you just out here running all the red lights. You should have stopped so long ago. That boy riding that bitch with a clear conscience like ain't nothing wrong with that motherfucker. I was talking all that shit whole time. I'm about to order 2 of these bitches. I need that.